Molly this morning. Come on, y'all. Okay, now, let me introduce Pastor. Look to my left. Let me introduce Pastor Torrie Walker and Brother Mitchell for a short skit. Come on, y'all.
Listen up. Listen up, Carlos.
I know you're all probably wondering why I'm standing here in this prison uniform. I want y'all to understand this, that when I was in school, I paid no attention to the teachers. In fact, I stole out of my teacher's purse. I stole from my little classmates. I stole from everybody. I didn't get my lesson. I didn't do my work. I had F's and U's in conduct. I did everything negative. I did everything negative. And if you want to find yourself handcuffed, shackled, and in prison, don't do what your teacher is telling you to do. But if you want great success, like what Pastor Molly and Pastor Wilson just got to telling you, then you can avoid this. You can avoid drugs. All of you all that wearing glasses and won't wear your glasses, listen to me. I'm standing here now blind because I didn't wear my glasses when they gave them to me in the 2nd grade. I said I wasn't wearing them. I looked funny in my glasses. My classmate talked about me. I wouldn't wear them. Now I can't see. Now somebody got to lead me around. So I'm saying this, obedience. Be obedient to your teachers. Because she's your best friend. You might not know that, but your teacher is your best friend right now.
That's right.
You got to trust your teacher, depend on your teacher. And what you don't know, ask them. That's why they're here. But I just want to tell you, avoid drugs and alcohol at all costs. And just know that if you do the right thing, you'll get the right thing. My mama told me one time, son, you can't go right doing wrong. And this is what the result of doing wrong will get you. Now, I just want to let you know that you don't have to come this way. You don't have to. You don't have to. You can make the decision right now, I'm going to do the right thing. I sure don't want to go to jail. And I don't have to ask who in here want to go to jail? Who in here want to be a career criminal? I already know you don't. You got ambitions to be doctors and lawyers. You got ambitions to be successful. And you have the opportunity to, if you obey. If you obey your teachers, obey your parents, obey your pastors. If you're not in church, tell your mama, I want to go to church. That pastor came up there and they bought us a whole lot of good stuff. And I want to go to that church, mama. I want to go to that church, Dad. I want to know more about these people and this goodness that they're talking about. Amen. They mentioned the name Jesus. And I want to know more. Mama, who is Jesus, mama? They said Jesus will keep me out of jail.
All right.
Jesus will have me making A's and B's.
All right.
If I pray to Jesus. Mama, come on and pray to Jesus with me so I can get my conduct right. I'm tired of making F's and U's, mama. I want to do the right thing, mama. Well, call on Jesus with me, mama, so my grades can go up, mama, so my conduct can go up, mama. I want to be the teacher's pet too, mama. I want to be the best, mama. Come on, help me, mama, so I can help and be positive and not negative all the time. And we just bless you. We thank you. We love you. And have the great success. All right. Come on, y'all. Just get Pastor Torrie hand this morning. Look, we got to close out strong. But listen to this. If God is in it, we'll win it. Come on, say it along with me. If God is in it, we'll win it. Come on, everybody. Say it along with me. If God is in it, we'll win it. Come on, everybody. We love you, study this. You all be blessed. And thank God and work hard. And you can get a reward for your parents. And Lee Houston is here. Leadership Memphis. Come on, Leadership Memphis. Come on out front. Come on, Leadership Memphis. Come on, let's give Leadership Memphis a hand this morning. All right. All right. Thank you all so much. And thank God. Let's give Miss Reed and Miss Ward and your teachers a hand this morning. Come on, everybody. Give it up to the teachers. Amen.
You all on live. This is the third, fourth, and fifth grades, and we're coming back in just a few minutes with the 6th and 7th and 8th, right? 6, 7, and 8.
6, 7.
With the 6, 7, and 8. Okay, thank you all so much.
All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you not only enjoyed it. Hold on, first of all, look at everybody. Okay. In the back.